Reasons why you should try here for today's Jibugan. We're here at Tiabo sa Ayala Malls, Pilis. Actually, many attempts na kaming gustong kumain dito kaso laging puno. Since weekdays ngayon, eto walang masyadong tao. Very Japanese resto yung ambience, dun pa lang sa manga na wallpaper nila. While waiting sa order namin, nag-prep na ako para sa dipping ng katsu later. Mabilis lang din naman kami nag-antay and finally, eto na yung order namin. Tornado Omelette Curry Set, served with signature curry sauce and your choice of classic Yabo katsu. Ruso yung choice ko, 80 grams. Regular lang din yung spicy level niya. Malalasahan mo talaga yung authentic curry sauce, yung omelette, soft and creamy texture. Smooth and tender naman yung roast pork, crunchy outside and super juicy inside. Ito pa yung isa naming in-order, Minzikatsu set, served with refillable white or brown rice, then miso soup, cabbage and fruits. This one naman is parang breaded hamburger steaks, kaya may crunchy goodness, juicy and seriously good, lalo na may melted cheese. Dito sa cabbage nakailang refill kami. The best talaga to sa kanila with sauce. Yung miso soup nila, napaka-umami. Ayun lang. Bye!